This is Ngcobo2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Richards Bay 0. My brother, how's it?
Shabran Ngcobo.
Yes, Happy New Year, man.
Yeah, man, there's no Happy New Year because you told me. You remember when the World Cup you find me on a crutches?
Yeah.
You say let's go to watch Sundowns. I said no, I cannot go.
That was Club World Cup. Now we are in the new season.
Yeah, the new season.
I say Happy New Season.
You know why? Today I'm a. You know why?
You're from Qatar. Is it Qatar or Dubai?
No, I'm from South Africa, Qatar. You know why?
Yeah.
This is a magnificent team. I won't gonna take your time, Mr. Ngcobo, because in my life, too, I loved my father. The day you saw me that day, after you saw me, you say, Sundowns, let's go there. And then I receive a call, I lost my father.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear
and
that.
then, but I thank my Sundowns family. They came in numbers to support me. They went there with the flags. And that was my incident. But today, I've seen something different, man. You know what happened? There's no Shasha. There's no Ribeiro. There's no Muda. You know what happened? This institutional team, we're going to win a lot of teams. And because of you, you never underestimated us. Ngcobo, we supported it, you support Chiefs, I supported Sundowns. No one knows me, no one knows you, but in your channel, people respect me. In your channel, people came to support me and my father. I went 2 days, 3 days in my friend's way too. There was a congestion of supporters, but you accommodated me every day. You know, I came here, I asked for a moment to thank you, because people, when I go to the filling station, they say, do you know Ngcobo channel? This is a man every day in Ngcobo channel. When I was going to buy a cow and then when a trailer, everyone follow me. This is Sundowns. And then know why. Now we're going to open a big brand over Sundowns. Today I cannot go into the game. Today I'm going to come here just to give you praises.
Thank
I
you
lost
so
my father, and then I was going to call you, but I said, Ngcobo, let's not stress you. You remember you find me on the street, I say you said Sundowns. I said, you know, you were, I was on crutches. You saw me on crutches. The same day, I lost my father.
I'm sorry, very sorry.
So,
may his soul receive his
but everyone know me because of you, Ngcobo.
Thank you, my brother.
Every day, loved us, everywhere. Even Chiefs when he's playing. I said, I follow you. I know you're a Chief support.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngcobo2010shopI.com.